This is Joel Ostrom from That Guy Wood Co. Today we're working on a pair of custom barn doors for some wonderful clients of ours. And we have selected the lumber. It's locally sourced and milled. And we are planing to thickness, straight lining on the joiner, cutting end with the miter saw. We're fitting the joints with a shoulder plane and going to be putting it together using some large structural screws along with the joinery, and there's going to be some diagonal braces that we are fitting. Also, we're going to take it back apart so that we can put the shiplap boards in there for the test fit of the entire thing. If you would like to discuss a custom project, I'd be happy to speak with you.